Folks, I'm out in the woods getting about to leave, go to my truck, and I noticed what appears to be another burrow right over here with the dirt pushed up coming out of the bottom base of this old dead cedar. So I'm going to try and work my way around while on video and see if we can get a view of inside this one. Maybe we'll find an active live burrow and discover what actually lives in there. I'm about to cross a path right here. This is the path that the critters, whatever it may be, uses coming in and out of this area. So it looks to be an active trail going through here, right through here. I'm actually squeezing through some very sharp trees and some not so sharp trees, so I'm being very careful not to get myself stuck with anything. Some of these cedar have other sharp edges on them, have some dead ones too. And just so you folks know, this type of leaf litter on the ground is good copperhead territory. Honestly, I don't know how many copperheads are around this area, but you should always watch your footing. The coloration of the copperhead blends in with the coloration of dead leaves on the ground. The browns and the oranges and the tan colors. Watch your footing and watch carefully because they blend in very, very well. Not all parts of the country have the same problem with snakes, so be careful and know what species of snakes around your area and your part of the country, or even a part of your state. Some parts of the states have none. No particular types of species, I should say, not have no snakes. And other parts of the states have many multiple species. Okay, here's that den, that burrow we're coming up on. As you can see, it looks like something has dug all the dirt from below this roots, pushed up over this hill, and made a den down inside. We'll be safe if we can get close enough to take a look inside. Now, this one may still be active. I can't get back in there far enough to see what's in there. And like I said before, you don't stick your hand in a tree if you don't know what's in there. Because you might be sticking your hand in a spider's nest. You might be sticking your hand into a scorpion's nest. You just might be sticking your hand into a very hostile badger's nest if you're in the wrong part of the country. Badgers are bad. They'll take your hand off. So a lot of other things. But as you see, it gets dark back underneath there. There is some leaf litter and sticks on the ground underneath there. It looks like there might be some water erosion, but I don't know if this is actually a very active den due to the amount of leaf litter that's been washed in with recent rains. I see what could appear to be tracked coming out of it, but I don't know how old they are. So at this moment we'll have to call this den a dead den also. No current home of anything, but at the same time this is what gives you an idea of what accounts for a home for a critter or a creature that lives in the ground. Trails could go in this way, over the top here, from the side, well protected with the hard roots around it. A very good spot for an animal that wants to live and protect its young. It's between lots of trees, hard to get at. I had to get myself back here through all these cedars. Most species would not be as dumb as a human to try and do this. And if they're going after this critter, they won't be able to get into anyway because most of these openings are very small. Only a smaller animal will be able to get in here, like a rabbit, a rodent of some type, fox, smaller fox species, not the bigger ones. You also have species of skunks around this area. I don't have the odor of skunk near me, thankfully, or else I'd be not heading towards this den like I was. But this gives you an idea of what to look for when you're looking at dens. Don't go and stick your hands in dens. We've covered that. Please remember it.